Harissa. What is harissa? Let's find out. Welcome to the Spice Detective. Today I would like to talk to you about harissa. Harissa is a North African condiment, delicious, spicy, and full of aroma, used to spice almost every dish, from stews to potatoes to meat to even a little dollop on a hummus platter. You can make it mild, you can make it spicy. I grew up with the Tunisian version. My father was born in Tunisia, and it was one of the most important condiments in our household. Let's start. For this recipe, we need cumin, garlic, Celtic salt, dried New Mexico chiles, and olive oil. So the base of your harissa, called New Mexico chile, it's a mild dried pepper. All you have to do is soak it in water for about 2 to 3 hours. They retain a lot of moisture back and the flavors come alive. Once those peppers are soaked, we need to drain it out of water. We drain the water out of them, cut off the stem, and just place it into the food processor. Those seeds are fine to keep in the pepper. If there's excess water, just squeeze it out. Now, second step is garlic. Now, garlic is a matter of flavor. Use as much or as little as you'd like. I like it garlicky. A little bit of Celtic salt. Again, taste it. If you need to add more, feel free to add more. And of course, the other secret ingredients, cumin. Incredible flavor, aromatic, and actually a great liver detoxifier. Very important. Now, start mixing it. So while you're mixing it, add some olive oil as necessary. Gorgeous. Look at that. Oh my God. It's not spicy, but it's aromatic. The peppers, the garlic, the cumin, a little bit of the olive oil, all come together and create a celebration of flavors. I mean, a simple salad becomes a masterpiece with a little bit of harissa. Guys, easy, breezy, lemon squeezy, homemade harissa. Use it in your recipes and let me know what you think. Don't forget, subscribe down below. The Spice Detective. Learn about spices, how to cook with them, their origin, and what they can do for you inside and out. Thank you so much.